you're looking to hire a criminal lawyer or attorney, you might come across several attorney websites and ask yourself, what do all these attorney ratings mean anyway? Well, if you watch this video, I hope I can start to explain it for you. Hi, my name is Shawn Hamp. I'm a criminal trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of Arizona. Now, there are lots of attorney ratings, but I think that there are really only two websites that really mean anything. So, no offense to Yelp or Yahoo Local or Google Reviews. I think that the two main sites that you want to focus on are MartindaleHubbleLawyers.com and Avvo.com. And in all interest of fair disclosure, I advertise with Avvo.com, and I have paid for subscriptions in the past for some advertising with Lawyers.com. But Martindale Hubble is really like the old standby. And the reason why I say that is back in the day, Martindale Hubble was really the only national directory for attorneys. So if you're an attorney in New York City and you wanted to find an attorney in California or in San Diego, the first place you would look would be in Martindale Hubble. And basically Martindale Hubble was this giant set of encyclopedia-sized directories. And as I say that, there might be some of you who don't even know what an encyclopedia is, but it was gigantic hardbound books that had all these attorneys listed in Martindale Hubble. And Martindale Hubble made their money because they would sell these encyclopedia-sized books to law firms, and then law firms would want to be inside them. They want to be inside their books, so that if someone did go through the encyclopedia-sized entries, they would see their name there in bold lettering. So that was Martindale Hubble. That was their business model. So Martindale Hubble has now advanced to the digital age, and they have a new category for people to research attorneys, and they basically allow client feedback to be provided to attorneys, not in addition to other lawyers recommending other lawyers for recommendations. So anybody can go onto lawyers.com or martindalehubble.com and they can give reviews of other attorneys. And it's usually folks that have hired those attorneys and been asked to give reviews online. But they go on there and give their feedback. And so instead of just the old boy network of attorneys, now the public is welcomed to go ahead and give online reviews. And based on those ratings, if you get a score between 4.5 to 5.0, that's the highest score that someone can get. And Martindale Hubble has decided to bestow those attorneys with the Client Distinction Award. And clients can leave their reviews online, and if they meet certain criteria, a lawyer can get that higher rating. Now, I have a 4.7 rating on MartindaleHubbleLawyers.com, and I'm very proud of it because I'm grateful that my clients have taken the time from their busy lives to fill out these surveys online, and they do. And fortunately for me, the feedback has been very positive. The other website or rating system I want to talk about is called Avvo.com. I also have a high rating on Avvo.com as well. For years, myself, I was rated as a good attorney. Then I became an excellent rated attorney, and now I'm rated as a superb rated attorney. And the reason why I'm proud of that is because the ratings are mostly based on industry recognition. So other attorneys that I have practiced against or practiced with have rated my services, and they're able to recommend me online, publicly recommend me online to others at Avvo.com. And many of the colleagues that I'm proud to say are friends, they're some of the best trial attorneys in the state. So I'm grateful for all those folks that recommend me. So many clients, when they call me, they do tell me, they say, hey, I checked you out online, I found you on Avvo.com. That's how I know that's how many potential clients do find me. as avo.com, and I do recommend it. I think it's a good directory. It does give you some good background information about an attorney. So anyways, I hope this video helped you kind of figure out like what some of these attorney ratings mean. I want to thank you for watching this video. If you like, please go to my website, check out my profile on lawyers.com and avo.com, and please watch my videos on YouTube. And always feel free to visit my site at hamplaw.com or call me 928-753-6868. Thanks very much for watching.